A class has 3 boys and 5 girls. Teacher will pick 2 children to go buy milk. I love how I don't give teacher a name. I just say teacher. What? You didn't do that in elementary school? You'd be in elementary school, it'd be snack time, you go down to the cafeteria with your quarters. No? Has anyone heard of milk cafeterias? No, I did not write in there, but hopefully you understand that a teacher can't pick the same child twice. We're also assuming that none of the children are clones, so there's no duplication of the children. Yes. Hopefully that cloning one is not a stretch. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a tree diagram. In a tree diagram, you visually display all of your possibilities of what can happen when the teacher picks these 2 children. So, for teacher's first choice, we have 3 boys and 5 girls. What are her different options, or his different options? What could teacher pick? We're only picking 1 kid. So the teacher could pick a girl. So we could say teacher could first pick a boy. So I'm going to say B sub 1. Or teacher could first pick a girl. G sub 1. What is the probability that teacher first picks a boy, assuming all children have an equal chance of being picked? 3 out of 8. What's the probability that a girl's picked first? 5 out of 8. What is 3/8 plus 5/8? 1. So that counts for all possibilities. Is that okay so far? Okay. Now let's go underneath the assumption that teacher picks a boy first. If teacher picks a boy first, what are her options for her second child? Boy or girl. So teacher could pick boy second or girl second. Assuming the teacher picked the boy first, because we are branching off the boy first line, what's the probability she picks a boy second? 2/7. So she picked a boy, so there's now only 2 boys left. See, she picked a child, so now there's only 7 kids left. Still assuming she picked a boy first, what's the probability she now picks a girl? 5/7. Because assuming she picked a boy first, she didn't pick a girl yet. It's still right. Is it okay?
Why is it 2 over 7?
Sure. So we have 3 boys and 5 girls. Right? So teacher picked a boy first. Now how many boys are left? Out of how many kids total? Out of how many kids total? 7. Is that okay? And then 5 are girls out of 7 kids total. Now let's go underneath the assumption that she picked a girl first. What are teacher's options for picking the second child? A boy or a girl. So pick a boy second or pick a girl second. So assuming that a girl is picked first, how many boys are left?
3/7.
Yep, out of 7 children total, 3. And how many girls are left? 4/7. B sub I. Find the probability of picking a boy and then a girl and then a boy. Well, that says pick a girl first and pick a boy second. What's the probability that we pick a girl first? 5/8. And means multiply because we're doing more than one thing. Then assuming a girl was picked first, what's the probability of picking a boy second? 3/7. Now, you may be able to, actually not maybe, you can still get this answer without drawing the tree diagram, but it just makes it a little more visual. So what just happened was we traveled along this branch here and this branch here. Multiplying across, we get 15/56, which does not reduce. Okay, 2 boys. Let's reword this. 2 boys means pick a boy first and pick a boy second. So in the first part, the word and was stated. In the second part, the word and is implied. So what's the probability of picking a boy first? 3/8. And picking a boy second, assuming you picked a boy first, 2/7. So that's 6/56, which is what, 3/28? So now you might ask, where does that fit into this guy here? Well, we were able to do this all without the formula. So B sub I, 5/8 means the probability of picking a girl first times, this is the probability of picking a boy second, given you picked a girl first. And that means the probability of picking a girl first and a boy second. And that was our 15/56. So we did the formula. Not knowing we were doing the formula. So what's B sub 2, or II? The 3/8 represents the probability of what? Picking a boy first. And the 2/7 represents? Given. So that is the probability of picking a boy first and picking a boy second.